Athletes in the country received a major boost after the Senate passed the Anti-Doping Amendment Bill, aligning the Anti-Doping Act 2016 with the 2021 Anti-Doping Code and Regulations so as to allow Kenyan athletes to continue to participate in local, regional and international sports in 2021. The bill will put in place an enhanced results management system for anti-doping rule violations and for connected purposes.
It's an important bill for this country, for this nation, because if we are deprived of the ability to run, this country will be nowhere in the map. When we have done very poorly in athletics, in politics, it's the sport that has brought us up in one way or the other. And therefore, it's a compensatory mechanism. Therefore, as lawmakers, we have an ultimate responsibility of ensuring that this becomes law today, if not beyond today, because if we don't do so, we'll be bad.
These agents, Mr. Speaker, who hold these children like guinea pigs, using them for self-gain, they are the ones who, when they realize that an athlete is losing their power, start introducing them to enhancement drugs so that they can continue winning races and sports and generating income for them.
There is moribund and incompetence within the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Ministry of Sports, because how do you allow agents and coaches to come to country to mislead our youth? And then when that athlete is being caught, you punish only the athlete, you leave the agents and the coaches, Mr. Speaker.
Abstention 0, the nays 0, the ayes 30, the ayes have it.
Football Kenya Premier League side Kakamega Homeboys got a shot in the arm after signing a season-long partnership with gaming